This is Donna Marr, and this How and Why will teach you about parties. How often do you look at an asset and try to remember who was associated with it that may have given you specific rights? The Parties feature will help you manage exactly that. A basic definition of a party is an individual or company who may be associated to an agreement. For example, talent or a licensor. Additionally, Rights Cloud parties can be associated to rights on assets as contributors. For example, a photographer may have taken the photo. As you start using the system, you will notice that there are many types of talent and roles that can be considered parties and assigned to agreements and assets. I can't wait to see what combinations you all have, so let's begin with our review. First, some highlights of general navigation surrounding parties. I am in the Rights Cloud dashboard, and from here, we'll go to Parties. This will bring you to the list of parties already set up in the system. If you go to the top right corner, you can complete a search or advanced search of the party list. There is a video available on advanced search if you would like to know more. Additionally, you have some action options. If you go over to the right side, you can add parties, delete parties, or change your view. Right now, I am in card view, and I'm going to change to list view. In both views, you can also edit and delete in a specific party record. Let's look at a party already in the system. I'm going to select Pepper the Cat to view the talent profile. We are looking at an individual party setup, but company setups can also be created, and the fields within both are similar. If you think a video specific to companies would be helpful, then please comment and let me know. I would like to point out that required fields are noted with an asterisk. Starting with first and last name, you can see that first name is required. ID, this will generate upon saving. Active, selected if the party is current. Use the drop-down to select the type of party. In this case, I have selected talent. Role drop-down options will coincide with what type is selected. Alias is another name that your party may go by. External ID is used in cases where outside system integrations are in place. Business unit will default to the one that you are currently in. And there's a video about business units if you are interested. Contact information, phone, email, and address details. You can add multiple entries for each and make primary assignments. Information can be easily deleted if ever needed. Characteristics are specific to each party type and can be used with the advanced search feature. If you were entering a new party, once the above was entered, then you would select Save. The next tab on the party record is Relationships. In my Pepper the Cat example, the model Pepper has an agent Mars Meows. You can select the Add option to create a relationship by entering a new party or by selecting a party already set up in the system. You will need to also enter in the Relationship Info section the required fields of relationship type and end date or start of relationship. Additionally, you can enter an out date or end of relationship and external ID if needed. If you select primary contact, then this party's contact information will show against the party that you are associating it with. So, for Pepper, if I make Mars Meows the primary contact, then Pepper's party record will show to contact them, not Pepper directly, about anything necessary. Moving to the Agreements tab, you will find a list of all agreements that the party is associated with. If you would like to view any specific agreement, then simply click on the agreement number. You can also select the Add option to go directly into agreements and start entry of one with the party information already showing. Here, you can see Pepper's information since I was in that party record. As a tip, you can go back by using the screen links, and now I have returned back to the Agreements tab. And next, the Assets tab for a list of all assets containing the party as a contributor. Here, you can click on the asset name to go into the asset record and view additional details. One final comment about the tabs is that in your system, you may see one titled Additional Info. This would contain any additional information fields that are set up against the particular party type. There is a video about additional information that many are finding useful, and I really suggest watching. As we've gone through all of the tabs, you probably have noticed the left side of the party record remaining the same. So let's go through these details. Here is one of my favorite features, and that is the ability to upload images of parties. Give it a try. Below the image is the party name, type, and contact details. Remember relationships, primary contact, and our Pepper example? You can see the primary contact here is showing as Mars Meows, based on the relationship setup. If there was no relationship primary setup, then the party's own contact information would show. Next, you will see totals of agreements, assets, and campaigns associated with the party. You can select the Agreement and Assets link, and it will bring you to those party record tabs. Social links is also a great feature, where you can add such things as URLs for web, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram pages. There are quite a few options here, so take a look. Party attachments allows you to add any type of documents associated with the talent. If you think that an additional video on some of these left side features would be helpful, then please let me know. The last item that I want to mention is the ability to run reports against your parties. You can access reports directly from the party list screen by selecting the reports icon or by selecting reports from the system menu. Now it is time for you to go enter some parties so that you can view them in your reports. Please feel free to reach out to me through comments with any questions that you may have along the way. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you're looking for additional help, visit the Rights Cloud community site, rightscloud.portal.fadel.com. Here you will find such things as the user guide, FAQs, how-to articles and tutorials, plus there is a community forum to take advantage of. I have added my LinkedIn information below, along with our model Pepper the Cat's Twitter details. Chances are, if you're viewing this video, you already have Rights Cloud. But if not, you can get a free community edition at fadel.com/community-edition. That's all for now, and I look forward to seeing everyone in the Rights Cloud community forum.